Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. I got my box today on the porch. It actually looked like it was a little bit damaged, but everything looks good inside. Watsy, are you gonna do some Stitch Fix with me? Come on. Yeah, he was getting ready for a belly rub, not so much Stitch Fix. But so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. A couple of things, if you're not familiar, I actually am a stylist for Stitch Fix, but I was a customer before that, and so I continue to shoot these videos solely for the purpose of showing the clothes that I get, because I love to watch other people do videos so I can see the clothes on them. So I'm going to jump in, and the first thing I see is a pair of shoes. I love shoes. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so these are called the Nalle Suede Heel by State. And I like them. They're like kind of a suede material, and I kind of like the strap. So we will see. I obviously picked these for myself, and I like the shape of the shoe. It's always just a matter of how does it feel when I try it on. So I'm excited to try these on. Here's the bundle. Sorry for opening it. Very watchy. Okay. So it is what, I think 90 degrees outside right now. So once again, I'm seeing right off the bat I am never seasonally appropriate. Okay, the first thing I have is this mock neck sweater with the super cute patches on the sleeves, which I actually like these because it does help protect your elbows. So then, sorry, that'll go in the bloopers. Okay, the reason that I picked this sweater is because, what? I'm always cold. But really, this looks cozy. It also looks kind of big, but let's see, it's a small. So we will see. Looks kind of big. Try that one on. Again, hopefully I'm not going to be wearing that soon, but I probably will be. Okay, and here's another fallish or winterish item. Okay, this is a cardigan, and it is in that blush color, and okay, that's not the correct tag. This is the Honeybell Rivington textured open cardigan in blush, size small. So I'll try that on so you can see it, but it's a big cardigan and it's pretty heavy. It's not the best day to be trying these clothes on, but I know I will be using them because of where I live. Okay, the next thing I sent to myself, obviously you can kind of see because I have the same color shirt on. I think I've said this before, I don't love dresses, but I'm trying to expand my horizons a little bit. So I sent myself this dress. It is called the Caitlin dress, Collective Concepts, dark purple, and an extra small. So I don't know. I definitely like the color and the pattern. I just am not sure that this style is going to work on me because elastic waist dresses don't usually. But I'm gonna give that a shot. And last but not least, this is a pair of like cotton twill joggers. So, gosh, these look kind of long. We'll see. But I was hoping that these would be short enough to wear with these shoes, and then to go with the sweater. So I'm gonna try those things on, and hopefully they all work. And so I'm gonna go do that, and I will come back and show you. Okay, also before I go try those clothes on, I wanted to show that I'm actually wearing my pants that I got from Stitch Fix, I think 2 fixes ago, and I still love these pants. I'm in love with these pants. So just wanted to show that. All right. Okay, so these are the pants and the shoes. So we'll talk about the pants first. What do you guys think? They're loose. They're a little loose on me, but not too much. I feel like I actually like the way the waist fits. It's pretty comfy. So you can see there's like, they're kind of like you see them kind of like these. I don't know. This is the first pair I've got, or I've received like this. So I'm just kind of getting used to them. But yeah, okay. So then next, what do you guys think of these? I think I like them. So let's talk about the shoes. Look at these shoes. They're so cute. And they're so comfortable. Like right when I put them on, I knew immediately I was probably keeping them just because I wear heels so frequently, and very frequently they are not comfortable. But these ones were, and, oh, I see this strap is sticking out. And I didn't have to buckle them. I buckle them once, but there's a zipper in the back, and I love that. So you don't have to sit and buckle and unbuckle every time. So you can just use the zipper. So that's a good thing too. So there you go, pants and shoes. I kind of like them. Actually, I'm gonna go grab that sweater and throw it on over this. Hey, be right back. Here it is with the sweater. So I know I look very monochromatic, but that's actually what I was going for. So if you can see the sweater, it is shorter in the front, longer in the back. Again, it has these super cute elbow patches on it. And the mock neck, which kind of has, it's kind of just kind of a built-in look to it. I don't know. I love this. It's exactly what I wanted. Comfortable, cute, and some people might laugh at me, but I like this outfit, the whole thing. I think it's super cute. I like them. So I'm gonna go try and one or two more things. Okay. Okay, what do you think of this dress? When I put it on the closet, I really didn't like it because it's long. So I'm 5'4", and this dress hits me right below my knee. But the more that I look at it, it's a different kind of style. I mean, it's still got the elastic waist, you can see, but the skirt kind of goes out a little bit. I don't know. And I actually feel like I like the sleeves. It's not showing my bra at all. I can wear a bra without having to, I don't know. All the dresses lately, I feel like my bra is like a crazy situation. This one looks very comfortable and easy to throw on. And also you can see I have it on with the shoes. So that's two full outfits in one fix. But at any rate, what do you guys think of this dress? For some reason, I'm kind of liking it. Mainly because I think it's just such an easy way to get dressed. Okay. All right, so I just had to show this as a possible winter combo. First of all, I would not wear this belt. I need a belt right now. But like a black belt here I think would work, and then a cardigan, and then I have my tall black boots on, which I don't even know if they're in style anymore, but I cannot not wear them. I don't know. What do you think? I would probably have tights on underneath these too, but I wanted to see if I could utilize this dress more than just the summer and fall. So I'm gonna go try on the last item, which is the cardigan. All right, I don't even know if these things go together, but so here's the cardigan. I think it's a little big, like it feels big, and when I look in the mirror, okay, from the side, look how it kind of bells out. I don't know, like I feel like, no, I like to have the sleeves a little bit long, but this is a size small, so I could possibly exchange. But what are your thoughts? Maybe this is how it's supposed to fit. Some of these longer cardigans, like I don't like that. What is this? I don't know if it's flattering on me. I'm not sure. I would love your feedback, but I will say this. This is like a pretty good weight of a cardigan. It's not like super, super heavyweight, but it's, you know, solidly stitched if you can see. And again, it's that blush color, so it almost looks tan, but it just has that little color. And of course, I'm wearing it with my embroidered jeans from Stitch Fix. So what do you guys think of this? Again, I would probably also wear it with leggings and tall boots in the winter, I think, too. But let me know. I'm thinking I need to exchange it, but I would love your feedback on this one because I never feel like long cardigans look right on me. So let me know your thoughts, and then we will come back and sit down and wrap up. So I'm going to go through the prices here and talk about everything. Okay, so the first item, the RD Style Stella Mock Neck suede elbow patch. I'm not going to read all these names going forward. This one is $68. So it's really nice. I like it. I'm most likely going to keep it. I really love these. And it's a pretty good sweater as far as weight, because I've had a hard time finding heavyweight sweaters recently. Everybody makes a sweater that's made out of like paper thin material. Okay, so I'm probably going to keep that for sure. Actually, I'm going to keep that. Okay, the next thing is the Liverpool jogger pants, the linen ones. And again, this was interesting. I took a risk sending myself these. I thought, what a great way to try them. And I actually really like them. And these ones are $88, but they're super comfortable, and I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them for both casual and I can dress them up. The next thing is this dress by Collective Concept called the Caitlin dress. And as you saw, it grew on me over time. I loved the color in the first place. I love this deep dark purple, and the accents are just a little bit of light purple. And I mean, it almost looks a little bit like an animal pattern, but it isn't actually, if you see what I mean. So, and I ended up really liking that on the sides, the hem went up a little bit. So, pretty sure I'm keeping this one. And did I already say that one is $78? And that was an extra small. The next one is the cardigan. And the cardigan here, this is the Honeybell in blush. This is $64. And I really like this one too. I'm kind of waiting to hear your opinion on size. I think I would, right now I'm kind of leaning towards exchanging it. Also, I was gonna say it almost has a little bit, tiny bit of metallic shimmer in it. Let me see if you guys can see this, because I didn't show it before. I don't think it's showing out, but there's just a little tiny bit. So it's kind of unique, and it's growing on me too. So I definitely want to keep this, but I'm kind of thinking about the size issue. Oh, and the last thing, of course, these shoes, which I really did end up loving. And as you saw, I can wear them with pants and dresses, obviously. And those shoes are $98, so I better love them. They were really comfortable though, so that's nice. So a couple of things. First of all, I did a couple of, options for outfits this time instead of just trying on the clothes. And let me know what you think about that. Is it easier for me if I just try on the clothes? It keeps the video a little bit shorter, or do you like seeing some of those different ways to style things, I guess? Let me know. Make sure to subscribe. Again, let me know if you have any suggestions or questions. I'd love your feedback. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry that Watson is not participating any longer. We're going to have discussion now. Talk to you soon.